Hi, and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a ornament using a teacup and some little figurines. Let's get started. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I thought, I'll give that a try. I had this teacup already, and then I found this one at Goodwill. I think I probably already showed it in a haul video, but so I just need to start by cleaning off the cups. I have cleaned the cups, and now I'm ready to begin putting the little figurines in them. I have a couple of other ideas for these figurines. I'm gonna save these buttons I got that are nativity themed. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby and they have their Christmas stuff on sale, so got that from there. I think I'm going to use these bigger trees and something else. Once again, these were from Hobby Lobby. I might end up using some of these. These are little wooden shapes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then they had these little miniature bottle brush trees at the Dollar Tree, and they had these little village things. So these are what I think I'm going to focus on using in the cups today. Okay, so I am trying to decide how I want them to be in the cup, and I think I like this guy further back and this one down and forward. And I'm trying to decide if there's enough room for this little violin player guy. To get them to stay, I'm just going to use a hot glue gun, but definitely they would stay better with super glue. I think hot glue is just going to do the trick, so I'm going to give that a try. And then once I have my figurines where I want them, I'm going to use this pretty white ribbon because it just makes me think of teacups, and loop it through the handle, and then that will become the string from which the ornament hangs. Okay, I just hot glued the little figurines into this one so that they're stuck in there. I was looking at it and I had two thoughts. My first thought was, it looks a little plain. I wish I had some like pearls or something that I could just kind of put in the bottom. And then I started playing around with what I did have, some ribbon and that kind of stuff, and decided the more plain, the more simple, I think the better. Because it's already got these really pretty florals in there, and I didn't want to take away from those. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and attach this frilly ribbon that I have so that it can hang from the tree. And I think I'm going to call this one good. And it will hang just like that. I'm going to trim that up. Alright, now I'm going to do this one and work on putting these ones in this cup. Okay, so this one I went a different direction. The little figurines were having a hard time getting glued in, and so I did just a couple of those trees, and then I could see some of the glue, and so I just used some of my stuffing I use when I crochet, and I put that around the trees, and I think it turned out pretty good. So now I'm going to attach this ribbon hanging, and I think I'm going to call this one good too. And like I said, for filler inside, I think it would be pretty if you had like pearls or something and you could fill the bottom with pearls for snow. That would be really pretty, but I like how they turned out. They were really quick and fun to make, and I think they're just really unique, cute ornaments. And if you guys give it a try, please post a picture and tag me. I'd love to see what you guys did. So another ornament idea I saw on Pinterest was similar to the teacups, where you buy the little figurines, but instead of a teacup, you put them inside of a cookie cutter. And so I got these cookie cutters at a thrift store, and I already took out the star for another project, and these are the shapes that I have left. So I'm gonna give it a try, use some of these figurines. Oh, this one's like a snow globe. That'll work perfect. So I'll try these out in these figurines. But my idea, what I wanted to try to do for these buttons was have 3 that go together. So maybe, you know, the snow globe, just some things that are bigger. Maybe, I don't know, the snowflake. But kind of have like Jesus and Mary and them in the center, and then these guys on the side. I don't know. It might not work out. I might need to do that with something else, and then use these and the bottle brushes inside of these. But I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Oh, the other part of this is putting what do you call it? Scrapbook paper behind it as the background. And so that kind of makes it look nice. And I've got several pieces of scrapbook paper to decide what I'm going to do. So I am going to get to work. Okay, so I glued the paper to the back to the cutting edge, like the sharper edge, and I don't like how messy it looks. So I'm going to try to solve that by using some string to just kind of go around and outline the cookie cutter. The buttons, they glued on really nice, so I like how they turned out. And then I think as I'm gluing this string on, I'll just go ahead and make it the string that it hangs from. So I'm gonna give that a try. Let's see how it works. Here's how the first one turned out, and I like it. Excuse the Band-Aid real quick. I stabbed myself with a staple while I was trying to open up these buttons, but oh well. But I do like the string outlining the ornament. I think it makes it look a little cleaner, and then now I have something to hang it from. So I think that turned out really nice, and I'm going to keep going with my idea, and I'm going to do the 3 kings in this one. They came with these cute little camels, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get the camels in there. I'm curious if I should glue them to the top somehow so that they're with them. We'll see. I might do that. That might be more than I like, but I think I'm going to stick with this background, this kind of like vintagey Christmas background, and I think I'll use the same one whenever I do the third one with the shepherd. And I might put the angel on top of this one if I'm going to start gluing things on top. I don't know. We will see. Alright, this is how they're looking. It's a little trickier than I thought it would be. It's kind of a longer activity. Maybe you guys might have an easier go with it than me, but I do like the idea, and I think it's looking cool. I have my last pack of buttons, which are the shepherds, and the angel. And this one came with a star, and so I think I'm going to put that star above Jesus in here. And then I think the angel's gonna need to stick out up here, and then I got the shepherds and the sheep. And like I said, I'm still toying around if I want to glue these on the outside. I think it looks fun that way, but I also know that these are gonna pop off super easy just sitting on the outside. But I mean, they're easy to glue back on, so I'm not sure. I'll figure it out, but now I'm gonna finish this last one to complete the set. All right, here they are. I think they turned out really good. I'm really excited about it. I ended up deciding, yeah, go ahead and glue the pieces on the outside just because I think it looks a little more interesting. And I'll just have to be really gentle with them to make sure they don't fall off. So this turned out really good. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with 2 different ideas for making ornaments. You can use buttons, you can use little village people from little kits, you can use teacups, you can use cookie cutters, you can use anything. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.